Hey guys, it's Adam, and today I'm showing you which is better, eBay or Shopify dropshipping, and which one's best for you. So starting off, how much time do you need to dedicate to each? So for Shopify, as you may know, you need to create a full website and create the products inside the website. To do this, it usually does take quite a bit of time. On eBay, however, you only need to list the items. That doesn't take anywhere near as much time, and it's usually done a lot quicker. You can often get a lot more items through, and you often don't rely on one or two items as you may do on Shopify. On Shopify, you also need to market your own products. You need to create ads or purchase them. And then you need to manage ads, whether you go on Facebook or Instagram influencers. On eBay, the marketing is done for you. You don't need to market your product actively, and you will get sales without doing any extra work. So next up, how much money can you make from each? eBay has the potential to make you a nice piece of constant income. Enough that would please most people that are just using this as a side hustle. However, on Shopify, you do have the potential to outpay your 9-to-5 jobs. Usually, to achieve sales and profits as high as Shopify, it would take an astounding amount of effort on eBay, and it's usually not possible. Just because I've said this, it doesn't mean that you should quit your job and just start a Shopify dropshipping store. It doesn't always work out, obviously, and it's a lot easier said than done. And just because I said that it's usually not possible on eBay, doesn't mean that it's impossible. Some people have still outpaid their 9-to-5 jobs. Coming up next, we have how much money you need to start each business. Now on eBay, it's completely free to start. Marketing your products also has no upfront fee. You do have some of your profits taken away from you since eBay has previously marketed your items. However, you don't need to do this before you've actually made money. However, on Shopify, you do need to pay for a plan. This plan does start at $29 a month. However, at the moment, you can actually have a Shopify store for the first 3 months free. Along with this, there are themes and applications which you'll need to purchase for your Shopify store. These aren't mandatory, and you can get away with not buying any. However, it does make it a lot easier, and you do have a better chance of making money if you do. And on top of that, again, you need to pay for the marketing on Shopify and do the work yourself. This can be through Google Ads, Facebook marketing, or Instagram influencers. Coming up next, we have scalability. Personally, on eBay, I think that you can scale by adding more listings, and that's about it. Really, there isn't too much you can do other than add more listings. You can reduce your prices, but at the end of the day, that's not really scaling, that's just increasing sales. On Shopify, however, there is a lot of scaling potential. Since you are in command of your marketing, you can control your success. Along with that, by making your website nicer, you can also scale your business. Everything impacts your sales with Shopify. Next up, we have difficulty. Now, both eBay and Shopify do have their own fair share of difficulty. However, with a little bit of research through YouTube and websites, eBay dropshipping can be done by pretty much anyone. Personally, I also believe that anyone can do Shopify dropshipping, but the amount of time you'll need to dedicate to teaching yourself how to design websites, create ads, and manage your business will take a lot more time and a lot more difficulty. However, with that being said, you can always go on Fiverr to hire someone to do a lot of work for you on Shopify, such as creating the website, creating ads, and managing ads. These do range from cheap and expensive prices, which obviously reflect on the quality. Finally, we have something that a lot of YouTube channels don't really seem to talk about, which is enjoyment. Personally, I believe although eBay can be quite rewarding, so can Shopify, I do believe that Shopify is in fact a lot more enjoyable. Shopify dropshipping doesn't only allow you to create a brand, you also have the reward of seeing all the work you've done in creating a website, in creating adverts. You see your sales, and it reflects highly on how much effort and work you put in. There is a lot of pride you can get from Shopify dropshipping. However, with that being said, there is still a lot of reward with eBay. Both do have a lot of reward involved. Like the video if you can agree that waking up and seeing that you've made money while you slept is one of the best feelings ever. So, at the end of the day, which option's best for you? Personally, I think it depends on who you are. If you're a kid or a teen with no capital, I'd maybe recommend starting with eBay dropshipping, as you don't need any money to begin. However, if you're looking to create a business that may be able to outpay your 9 to 5 job, or limit the amount of hours you need to work at a part-time job, dropshipping on Shopify may look like a better option for you. Anyway, at the end of the day, it's completely up to you with whichever choice you make. However, I would say that you should try both, as they are both completely different and you may find yourself loving one more. Now please, just remember that you can't use the same strategies for eBay for Shopify, and you can't use the same strategies for Shopify for eBay. It doesn't work like that, and they're two completely separate businesses. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this. See you in the next video.